Hi friends! Welcome back to Sophie's Playday! Today I will be unboxing L.O.L Surprise Limited Edition Year of the Tiger LOLs. I got the doll and the pet right here. So last year L.O.L Surprise came out with the first Chinese New Year doll, and it was this girl right here. She is the Year of the Ox doll with her pet ox right here. Aren't they so cute? I fell in love with it because it was the Year of the Ox, which is my year. And now this year we get to collect another Chinese New Year doll. So here is the doll's ball. There's only two to collect, the doll and the pet. And there are 8 surprises in here. I'm gonna open the doll one first. Ooh, the ball's so pretty. We got a beautiful orange sparkle color ball. Ooh, here's the pretty wrapper. It's a tiny little bracelet with a red ruby on it. Ooh, here's a bottle. It's a cute mason jar bottle with some golden boba in it. Here's her shoes. And here's her Chinese outfit. It's 2 separate pieces, a top and a skirt. And here's the doll. I love the black and gold in her hair. And it's all crimped in the back. She has on red lipstick and a little red flower under her eye. And it also includes this foldable lantern. Okay, I gotta figure out how to fold this. The thing goes out like that. Yeah. So it's like a little Chinese lantern. And here's half her sticker. Her name is Good Wishes Baby. Here's the direction. You can feed her water and she spits out. Her little pet tinkles. And the ball is also a doll stand. Here's how to fold the lantern. And here is Good Wishes Baby. Very cute. Alright, let me unbox the pet now. The pet also has 8 surprises inside. The ball is also orange. Oh, look how cute. The pet has a little orange juice bottle. And she comes with the red glasses. And a cute little money purse bag. And here's her 4 shoes. Here's the other half of the sticker. The pet's name is Good Wishes Tiger. And together they make a lantern. And here's her paper lantern. Alright, let's get Good Wishes Tiger out. Ooh, oh, I love her stripes. So cute. And here she is. Oh wow, look at her eyeshadow. She has red and white on. And here's Good Wishes Tiger. She has her shoes on, ready for Chinese New Year. Oh, they are just so cute. I love collecting New Year's. So last year there's definitely more gold on the doll and the pet. This year there's more red. Which one do you guys like better, the Year of the Tiger or the Year of the Ox? Let me know down below. Thank you for watching my unboxing. If you guys liked it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Sophie's Playday. I want to wish all my friends a happy early Lunar New Year.